The Academy of Arts and Design in Aruba wants to prove to prospective students that a career can be made out of this field. For the island to have an institute right here gives not only the students an option to further their education here, but more importantly, it allows Aruba's culture to grow and prosper. On Saturday, the Academy of Fine Arts and Design in Aruba will showcase the students' animation work, films, 3D sculptures, and much more. The Academy is growing. More students are registering for the preparatory course with every passing year. Glenn Codine, the director of the Academy, stresses that a profession can stem from arts and design.
Open house is to inform students from Aruba and abroad that what art and design is about, and that it's not just for fun, but that it's also that you can get a real profession with it. Like your studio, it needs to be designed, how it looks, the clothes you're wearing, jewelries, all the things we know around us are part of design and art, and that is this profession about. So it's not like not earning money. It's really you have possibilities to earn money.
Arts and design mean different things to different people, but in retrospect, we are all impacted by these two elements in our everyday lives.
It's important because arts and design, it helps people to identify themselves. It makes people feel at home. It makes people feel happy. You know, if you have when you buy a nice dress, it's beautiful, you feel beautiful too. If you have a nice interior in your house, you feel nice and beautiful too. If you have a nice painting or sculpture, you look at it every day and you get this smile.
I like art and design because I believe art is everywhere around us, and the possibilities to grow in it, to know yourself, to know your community, to engage with your community through art and design is essential because it lets you express yourself, it lets you express the cultures, it lets you just broaden your mind.
The open house is to encourage students to register for the preparatory course.
Preparatory, you need to have a portfolio, or when you want to start in a bachelor school. So most students, when they did their HAVO or VWO, they don't have, or high school, they don't have the right portfolio. They have very little work. And if they want to enter the bachelor, then you have this portfolio. So with the preparatory, we prepare them to make this portfolio, and then they have a much higher chance to be able to enter the bachelor school.
Visitors will have quite the experience on Saturday's open house.
They can expect, things beyond this world, because, when you talk about imagination, it can go so much further. And the way these students have developed over the 6 months is amazing. Some have not been able to draw, but now are very fluent in drawing, very fluent in the language of art and design. And they now know exactly what their interests are and how they want to develop it, and how it can be a career for them, and even a career here in Aruba.
The open house will take place at the Academy of Arts and Design on Wilhelmina Straat. It all begins at 9 a.m. and will run until 8 p.m. this Saturday.